After taking this class, we not only want you to improve your photography skills, we also want you to start looking at your environment differently. When you're out taking pictures, start to notice that there are natural frames all around you. Archways, windows, tunnels, mountains, and trees all make great natural frames for a picture. Here are some great examples from Ellie's work.
A window works as a great frame for an image because most windows are shaped like an actual picture frame. Simply line up the edges of the window within the edges of your viewfinder, and voila! Take a look at how Ellie used these windows to frame her photos. What this also does is really make the viewer feel like they are standing where the photographer was standing. Natural frames help the viewer identify with being where the photographer was.
When you look at these images, you really do feel like you're looking where she was looking. This isn't something we necessarily feel with other images of Ellie's that we've seen so far.
Natural frames can come in all shapes and sizes. Using windows, tunnels, and other openings usually provides a full framework by completely surrounding all four sides of an image. Other framing techniques, however, are more subtle.
Here's an urban landscape where Ellie used this technique. She's combined leading lines. See the railings leading your eye upward to the woman with the red umbrella? And natural framing by making sure every subject is between the glass roof and walls on either side.
Here's another example of a natural frame. Also notice the symmetry. You're probably already getting a sense that some of the compositional techniques are related to others. Natural frames are related to two other techniques, leading lines and negative space. It's a sign of mastery when you can take a picture with more than one technique in a single image.
This concludes our lesson on natural frames.